And a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
First up this evening, come Monday, August 17, it will be illegal to use water from the National Water Commission NWC to do non-essential tasks such as watering lawns.
This follows a prohibition notice issued by the government amidst worsening drought conditions. The strict measures were the latest in a series of moves announced by the state to try and conserve the commodity.
We have the details in this report.
The slogan says, "Water is life." As drought conditions intensify, life is about to get tougher for residents and businesses in Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Thomas, St. Mary, Portland, St. Anne, and St. Catherine. Following a high-level stakeholder meeting with the NWC and the Meteorological Service of Jamaica, confirmation came that rainfall levels remain critically low and temperatures are rising. As such, a prohibition order will take effect on Monday, August 17. NWC water should not be used for irrigation or watering gardens, lawns, grounds and farms, filling ponds or swimming pools, or for activities other than normal domestic services such as drinking, cooking, washing, bathing and sanitation. Likewise, you should not use a hose to wash vehicles. Also prohibited, watering or washing of roadways, pavements, paths or garages, or any activity requiring excessive or unusual quantities of water. In a release on Monday, Water Minister Matthew Samuda said even though the order will have implications on car washes, for example, the government's priority is to maintain supply to critical services as the country prepares for the reopening of schools in September. If individuals breach the prohibition order, they will be guilty of an offense and could face a fine not exceeding $1,000. If they are unable to face the fine, they could face imprisonment for a term not exceeding 30 days.